Let me show you the easiest setup that you can have to confirm all of your bookings. As say you are a breeder or say you are now take. This is very very easy to set up, and just you just need two modules. Let me just walk you through what you need. So first off, you'll need your booking website, which is wherever people book to for your services. So let's say this is what our booking website is currently looking like, right? Of course, yours might not look like this. So what we want to do is one have a form that they'll fill when they're booking and pick the available time, and then that form is going to be updated in a spreadsheet. So that is the form I'm trying to create here. So I want to have the same parameters here. So let me just go ahead and copy what I have here. So the next thing I want to have is the phone number, which is very important because you're going to be reminding them of the appointment on WhatsApp. So you need to have their phone number. So the phone number and also the appointment time. So that's the appointment time, and this is the appointment. So let's do. So let's also include appointment time as well. So this is appointment date. I'm not getting this correctly. And then the next thing is appointment time. So that's going to be time, and then what's here? No, nothing. We don't need this. So yeah, so that's what we have. So you publish this, so you get the link here. I want to link it to a spreadsheet here. Yes, so my responses, all of my responses will come in here. Yeah, so all of my responses will be coming into this my spreadsheet. So the next thing I'm going to do is go and put the link in my website here. So I can change this to this, and then I save it. So this as well, I can change this to this, and then I save it, and I'm done editing, right? So if I come in here and to preview my site, because this is a demo site for Light, and that's what I'm using to for this demonstration. But of course, for yours, it's going to be your actual website. So if we click on this, yes, so this is working perfectly. So we're going to fill. So we are now going to go into our automation and build the confirmation for this. So we are going to be using make.com. So make.com is free. So just sign up, and then you click on this create scenario here. And then the first thing that you want to do is to watch for new rules, because every time someone books a new appointment, you want to tell them, oh, thank you for booking. I will see you on so day, whatever day they booked for. So you want to be watching for new form fields. And our spreadsheet here is comments. Our spreadsheet here is comments here. So our spreadsheet, remember, is our sheet name, remember, is this form responses to, and we save this, and you can just say, oh, choose when to start. So you do save, and you save. So the next and last module is going to be the module that sends a message on WhatsApp like, hi, I have booked, I've seen your booking, I thank you for booking, and all those kind of things. So we want to use the WhatsApp module that sends a text message. So of course, update your connection here, and then hi, Thank you for booking our services. Look forward to seeing you. You can add your appointment date here, and then the phone number is going to be the phone number from here, and then you save and you save this. So if I go into the website now, and then I click here, it takes me out of here, and then it takes me here. So say I fill this form, fill a form here, and then the phone number here, the appointment date here, and then the time here is 15, and then you submit this. So if we come back in here and save our module and we run it again, so yeah, it has come in here. It says, as you can see here, hi Ben, thank you for booking our services. We look forward to seeing you on the 6th of February 2026. So this is very simple. Like you can see, it did not take us up to like 5-10 minutes to set this up. So this is something that you can set up even if you're a complete beginner. You don't know anything about automations, you don't know anything about it. This is something that you can just connect, and then it will take care of that 5 minutes that you usually just go into copy, your customer's number and go into on your WhatsApp to message them and tell them, oh, thank you, and to confirm their bookings. But then basically, so that will take care of that 5-10 minutes, I promise you. And that 5-10 minutes, you can just use it to relax, because that is the main aim of automation, to give you back some time so that you can relax. So I hope you set this up today for your business, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification button, and comment and share to other business owners that like yourself that might find this useful. Okay, bye bye.